Hello everyone, this is a new tutorial from the Lab of Biosensors and Bioinstruments at Nazarbayev University, and in this tutorial I will guide you through the data acquisition process. You might know the app called Enlight, which helps you to visualize the signal from your probes, like here. And you also know that you can save data using this app by clicking this button here, but it is very time consuming and manual, and therefore there is another app which I will introduce today, which will help to save data very effortlessly and easily. So first, you can connect your sensors and check if they are working, not broken, have no problems, just visually. But after that, you have to close this app because Micron Optics now uses only one port, and these apps will be conflicting for this port. So you check your probes and just click close app. So now we are moving to the app itself. It is here on the desktop. It's called Micron All-in-One. Just double click it. Here you can see the interface of the custom app, which was created based on the official API of Micron Optics, which is also called Hyperion. And all the fields here are named and are designed to be intuitively understood. Let's go through it. So the first field is Hyperion IP address. This is the port it uses, and you can see it on the instrument itself. Next, it's number of data points. How many data points you want to save for concentration. In this case, we will save 10. Acquisition interval in seconds. It's feasible to input acquisition interval no less than 1 second. In this case, let's use the smallest interval, 1 second. Concentration value. You also input what is your concentration value. Here you can adjust the number of digits after the decimal separator. In Enlight, it is 4, as you might notice. And here it is also 4 by default, but you can make it this way or this way, smaller or bigger, whatever level of precision you want. Here you can see laser scan speed field. By default, Enlight saves data with laser scan speed 1000. And therefore, here it's also set by default. You do not need to do anything here if you do not want specifically using this one. And next, here, it's file name and protocol, convention. You can choose between detection and calibration. And depending on what you choose, then files will be named accordingly. For example, now we want to run a calibration. So we choose calibration. Next, we click the button, Engage Acquisition. After this, we can go and find a folder in which we want to save our results. In this case, I will go to my folder, and you actually can create a new one. For example, we will create a new one, training, select folder, and acquisition has started. Just wait a bit. So you can see that acquisition logs are saved. We will check it now. Training. So you can see all the files are here. They are named as expected. And these files you can use further in MATLAB scripts for further data analysis. Now let's try to save detection data. For example, this time we need 20 data points. Acquisition interval, let it be still 1 second in order to make this tutorial not so long. Concentration value, say you already work with concentration 5. Decimal precision, 4 is okay. So it's the same, but here you should check detection. And again, click Engage Acquisition and find your folder or create new one. We will create a new one because we want data in another format, detection. So new folder, detection. We will select it, and here you can see the files have been saved. One point you should remember, but once you collapse the window and then try to open it again, it might appear frozen, but it is not. Just wait until the acquisition period is over, like now. And now it's functional once again. So don't get scared if it appears frozen. It is not. It is just the inner logic which will be adjusted in future, but for now it works just fine. And if you do not click here when it is working on the acquisition, it will not generate any new errors and will save data very reliably. So let's check our detection data. Here is our folder, and so you can see concentration 5 as we wanted, measurement 1 through 20, all in the folder we wanted and in perfect order. These files can be used immediately for the further data analysis. As you can see, the application is very simple and intuitive, and I hope it will help you in your work. And in case you find any errors or issues, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for your attention.